Yo YouTube, what up? GSNCards coming back at you once again. We have a 3-box break here. This is for the second group break of the night for football. We have 2 07 Premier, 1 08 Premier. I'm going to start off with the 07 Premier. Good luck to everyone who joined. I always have trouble opening these 07 packs. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Alright, off the bat we have for the Cowboys, numbered out of 225, Terrell Owens. And then we have for the Buccaneers, numbered out of 50, Kenneth Darby for the Bucks. 45 out of 50. Then, wow, look at this. Very nice. eBay 1 of 1 as well for the 49ers. Foxborough, you're going to be getting this one. A Steve Young autograph. Steve Young, 1 out of 50. Very nice. And next up, quad jersey auto for the Dolphins. Numbered 78 out of 99, John Beck. Nice card, though. Nice looking card. And next up, we have for the Rams. Triple jersey, numbered out of 99, Steven Jackson. And wow, really nice patches. Look at those patches. For the Patriots, number 26 out of 75, Tom Brady. And our last card will be a manufactured patch for the Packers, numbered out of 75, Paul Hornung. So let's get right into the second box. We pulled a Steve Young in the first. That was nice. On top we have a Bengals base. Always having trouble opening these packs. Alright, here we go. Alright, for the Bengals, numbered 71 out of 225, Chad Ocho Cinco Johnson. And then we have for the Oakland Raiders, numbered 57 out of 99, Zach Miller for the Raiders. And then we have for the Bills, numbered out of 75, Paul Pazlazani for the Bills. And then we have for the, wow, very nice, for the Browns, numbered out of 125, quad jersey auto. The jersey has a lot of stitching in it, Brady Quinn. Brady Quinn, quad jersey auto. And then we have, I think I just friggin' pulled this. Let me just look through the... Oh, maybe not. Alright, for the Rams, we pulled this one earlier, Steven Jackson. And now I got another Steven Jackson. Numbered out of 75, this is a quad jersey. The other was a triple. And then we got a patch, triple patch for the Seahawks. Sean Alexander, numbered out of 99. And then I got for the Buccaneers, numbered out of 75, manufactured patch, Gaines Adams. So I got time. I'll move right into 08 Premier Football. Good luck to everyone. Thanks again for everyone who joined these breaks. Really appreciate it. We had a lot of fun. We've been on here since 6:30. It's 12:40 at night. I got an umpire baseball game in about 8 hours. I actually got a doubleheader. So let's finish this off strong. I'm not going to look at the back for now. We got numbered out of 99 for the Colts, Reggie Wayne. And wow, look at this. Who has them? Bryofia. There you go, Bryofia. For the Raiders, quad jersey auto, Darren McFadden. Congratulations, Bryofia. I'm happy for you. There you go. You were due for a nice hit like that. Darren McFadden, quad jersey auto. Congratulations. Next up, we have for the Browns, numbered out of 15, manufactured patch, Derek Anderson. And then I got a dual patch, really jersey patch, numbered out of 25 for the Steelers, Lynn Swan. And then we have for the Cowboys. Cowboys, there you go. I think you just got one of these earlier. Marion Barber III autograph, numbered at a 25. I think that's your second one of the break. Correct me if I'm wrong. And next we have numbered at a 2 of 5. Crap, I was getting flashbacks when we pulled the Packers 1 of 1. But this is number 2 out of 5. Same looking card. Autograph A.J. Hawk. And the final card will go to the Colts. Colts really did well in this group break. Numbered 4 out of 10. Dallas Clark, quad jersey. So overall, I'd say very nice. We got the McFadden there. We got a McFadden. We got a Brady Quinn quad jersey auto. And we got a Steve Young auto. Pretty nice overall. I'll be back probably Tuesday or Wednesday. Stay tuned. GSN Cards is out.